clapping cheeks.
Hey, keep going, bro. Keep going.
Alright, let's get this started.
Finish up, bro.
What's up, guys? It's PNJ Tech, the most up-and-coming tech YouTuber in the game right now. To start things off, let's do a tier list. You got last year's XS, last year's XS Max, eating ass, this year's iPhone
11 Pro Max.
11 Pro Labs. I'm gonna be unboxing this, and I'm gonna be comparing the 11 Pro Max to last year's XS Max, which is the phone that I used. Without further ado. Ooh. Let me see what else is in the box. You've got hello, SIM removal tool, some legal stuff, stickers, very key. Finally, the new power brick, which will fast charge the phone, your wired earbuds, and a lightning cable. In no useful order, I'm just gonna list off a bunch of facts about this phone as it turns on. It's the same screen size as last year's model. I got the space gray version, but it does come in a new midnight green. The front-facing camera is now a 12 megapixel lens, which puts it on par with the rear-facing camera. And it comes with an A13 Bionic chip, which is one more than the A12 Bionic.
Yes,
so
12
it's gotta
plus
be, it
better,
should be better,
better,
right?
yeah,
It's
better.
like third generation neural
Yeah.
network.
One more than second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same storage options as last time, but Apple claims that it's supposed to get 5 or more hours because of the improved battery. Still using the Lightning port, waiting for USB-C. Same price as last year's model. The big difference is gonna be here in the camera system. So you've got a new ultra wide.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about any of that. Yeah. Escúchame. No te preocupes.
I'm shooting a video.
What, bro? I'm on the phone. See, I'll
So,
send you the dinero.
Anyways, it's a 3 camera system. So it's got an ultra wide camera and a standard camera and telephoto. And it also has night mode, which should make shooting at night a lot better. It's more water resistant than last year's model. That's all of the changes and similarities. Let's get that started up. Oh, this Apple logo is like actually in the middle instead of being like off center, which is pretty cool. It's got this nice matte finish. Yeah, still turning on.
Damn.
I have one of those in there.
It's in there.
That light hurts my eyes. It's pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hello. Well, anyways, that's it for the unboxing video of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, because you know I am the most up-and-coming YouTuber in the game. So, yeah, bet. Apple claims that it's going to get 5 more hours of battery life, which is what I like to tell myself as well, but as you know, that's just marketing. We lost 3D Touch, rest in peace, and it's also more water resistant. So
That's not English, bro.
that's
More water is.
that's more water resistant.